Good morning, LKG children. How are you, Nana? So, children, open your practice book. Open page number 7. 6 and 7. Okay? Open page number 6, page number 7 in your practice book. Okay? See which letter it is, children? Yes, N letter. Find and paste the stickers in the boxes. N for nib. So, what we have to do here, children? We have to paste the stickers now. Yes, in term 1 we have done. Yes. Now we will do. Okay? Find out N and N for nib in the pictures. Okay? See, children, what is this letter? Yes. Is this Z? No, this is N. Okay? Paste N like this. Okay? ఇలానే పేస్ట్ చేయాలి ఓకేనా జెడ్ లాగా పేస్ట్ చేయొద్దు అండ్ ఫర్ నిబ్ సో దిస్ ఈజ్ వితౌట్ కలర్ నౌ వీఆర్ పేస్టింగ్ విత్ కలర్స్ కదా కలర్ ఉన్నదాన్ని పేస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం నౌ సి క్యాపిటల్ N నిబ్ సో నౌ హియర్ వీ షుడ్ ట్రేస్ అవుట్ ఓకే ట్రేస్ అవుట్ నీట్లీ N Now see down, children. First we should trace out and then we should write N N N N N N N N. Now see here empty place is there, no? That there we should write. Okay. N. It should touch 3 lines now. Okay. N. 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 See? Completed classwork writing. Now see down homework is there. So that also write. Okay. N N N N N N for nib N for nib N for nose N for nurse N for nest N for nuts N for necklace right N N N N N completed children capital N writing completed no yes now we will write small n. See? What is this letter? Small n. N for nest. So, what we have to do here, children? We have to paste the stickers. Children, so this is capital small n. Paste here, Nana. Okay? Small n. Completed pasting. Now, what we should paste here? Here we should paste n for nest. Bird's house, no? Yes. And now see here we should trace out, okay? Trace out children neatly. Small n completed. Now we will write, okay children? First we should trace out and then we should write. Small n, small n, small n, small n. Here we only should write, okay? Small n, 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 N for nest. N small nest. Here right now it should be in 2 lines. Sorry, 2 lines. N, small n, small n, small n. See the difference in between H and N. Okay. Small n అయితే చిన్న స్టాండింగ్ లైన్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా? స్మాల్ n, small n, small n, small n, small n, small n. See children, completed. Writing small n also. See children, I have completed capital N and small n in practice book. So you also complete page number 6 and 7 in your practice book, children. Okay. So now open your activity book now. See children, this is your activity book. Open page number. In the activity book we have to open page number 5. Okay, in previous class we have completed page number 4, that is M letter. Yes, no children? Yes. Today we are going to do which letter, children? N letter. That is page number 5. Page number 5 lo unna N letter activity we are doing today. Okay. So now see, circle the letters capital N and small n. So here we should circle capital N and small n. Okay. See, this is capital N. Yes. Circle capital N. And see small n. Is this small n? No. Is this small n? Yes. Now find. Here it is. Small n. Capital N. Small n. See, completed. Now see here. Color the necklace beautifully. Color the necklace beautifully. ఈ necklace కి కలర్ వేయాలంట. ఓకేనా? And for necklace only. So color the necklace, children, colorfully. Okay, beautiful గా కలర్ వేయండి. ఓకేనా? See, here I am coloring with the blue. So you can color with any color. See children, completed coloring. You also color like this. Okay. Now see, the bird is looking for the objects that begin with the capital N and small n sound in her nest. Circle the N sound objects. Okay. So here we should find the N sound object for the bird. Okay na? So N for balloon. No. N for onion, N for nuts, N for nuts. Yes, circle the nuts. N for nails, N for net, N for newspaper. Okay, N for burger. No. Okay, children, completed. So you also complete like this in your activity book. After completing, take a photo and send it to my WhatsApp number, children. Thank you.